Dear colleagues, dear participants of the 5th International Workshop on Computer Modeling and Intelligent Systems. This year, our workshop, held in remote mode, physically based on the National University Zaporizhia Polytechnic at Zaporizhia. Our workshop this year is devoted to the 20th anniversary of the foundation of the Faculty of Computer Science and Technologies and the 20th anniversary of the foundation of the Department of Software Tools of the National University Zaporizhia Polytechnic. Our workshop covers such topics as artificial intelligence, computer science method for modeling, and info-communicational technologies for data analysis. Our workshop has international program committee representing leading scientists from the European countries such as Belgium, Israel, Germany, Netherlands, Poland, Portugal, Slovak Republic, Spain, and Ukraine. Our workshop is supported by the two international projects. One of them is Erasmus Plus Project Workforce, and second is DAD Project WIMAX. At the next slide, you can see key facts for this year. We have received 53 submissions that involves more than 159 authors. Our number of PC countries and author countries is 15. We provide several stages of paper reviewing. One of them is reviewing by the PC member, other it's peer review by the authors of other papers, and next it's a review by our technical editors. According to these procedures, we provide the paper selection and number of accepted papers for presentation is 26, so we have approximately one half of papers accepted for presentations. I hope that this year we will have opportunity to discuss our interests, to represent our findings, and to provide support for our scientists and especially young scientists to be familiarized with new directions in area of workshop topics. I want to wish success for all of us for our work at the workshop, and I hope that our workshop in future will be prolongated, and I hope that our workshop this year will be interesting for all our participants. Thank you very much for your collaboration and cooperation with us.